Welcome back. Now news from sports. The Sports Authority of Goa has finally given its nod to Goa Cricket Association to host ODI at Nehru Stadium in October. An MOU will be signed between SAG and GCA in another 2 days. The GCA has now begun the preparations to host the prestigious match between India and Australia. The Goa Cricket Association is set to host an India-Australia ODI on October 24th at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda. The GCA required the stadium from July 15 to start the pitch work. Although after a delay, the GCA finally got the possession of ground on Tuesday. SAG Executive Director V.M. Prabhudesa explained the delay in handling over the stadium.
As a matter of fact, yesterday we have issued the letter to GCA asking GCA to come and sign the MOU and to accept certain terms and conditions which we have imposed, and the Goa Cricket Association has in turn replied to our letter, yesterday's letter, today, and they have accepted whatever conditions were put forth. So maybe in a day or two we'll be signing the MOU.
GCA wanted the ground a little early, at around the 15th of July. What was the delay in handing over the ground?
There are procedures, formalities to be, the Cricket Association as well as, the Sports Authority of Goa. It took time in getting the file cleared.
Meanwhile, GCA began the groundwork at Nehru Stadium on Tuesday morning.
Today that Goa Cricket Association that were inaugurated this pitch work from today onwards. We are expecting a mud from Indore, and since that particular mud is from Indore, BCCI will going to send a curator from Madhya Pradesh to help out for Goa Cricket Association for doing this particular pitch. And of course, I am being from a Goa Cricket Association side, I will be throughout working on this pitch.
How much duration will it take for the pitch to actually take shape?
Since it is like monsoon season, it is our time to work, especially on this particular day and night we have to work to come up with the international level pitch.
Our sports reporter from Panji, Peterson Fernandez, with video journalist Sushant Par, and from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut and Samir Bhatt. The Goa Football Association is suffering from an extreme shortage of football referees. Presently, there are only 90 referees registered with GFA. Over 3,000 football matches in a year are distributed among these referees.
Poor match refereeing has always been a problem in Goan and Indian football. Now, the shortage of referees is another mounting problem that the Goa Football Association is facing. In all, 90 referees are currently registered with the GFA, when the actual requirement is of around 200 to 250 referees.
Overall, I think there probably will be around about 3,000 to 4,000 football matches in a season in Goa, whereas we just have around 90 referees. There's an extreme shortage of referees, and if this trend continues, it's going to be difficult, for us to cope up with the number of matches, because the inter-village tournaments also keep increasing, the GFA tournaments also keep increasing, number of schools participating keep increasing, but the number of referees have been on the decline. We have now approached all the clubs repeatedly to please try and send at least one candidate for the refereeing courses, but the response has not been very good. The next thing we tried doing is we went to the colleges to motivate college students to take it up as a part-time career. The response has been quite good. We've been to St. Xavier's College, Our Lady of Rosary, and few other colleges, and the response has been quite good. But at present, if we require double the amount of referees, we require a minimum of 200 to 250 referees to do, so that the referees also can do proper justice and don't get overloaded with officiating.
Our sports reporter from Panji, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Sushant Par.
And before we end our bulletin, a look at the funniest moment in assembly on Tuesday. Have a look at the laughter and giggles of opposition leader Manohar Parrikar. We take your leave with this politicians having a good time. Take care and goodbye.
Speaker sir, त्या CPWD मॅन्युअलान किकबॅक कितले धरप, कमिशन कितले खावप, हाका कितें मर्यादा दवरल्या?
No, that is 10%. You cannot have anything. You should have 10%.
10%
Overheads.
Kickback
Overheads.
10%.
Overheads. ऐक सांग ना, overheads जे आसा ते 10% आसा. कालच्यान तो प्रश्न काडटा. कालच्यान तो प्रश्न 20%ाचो काडटा. Overheads जे आसा.
Ask Mr.
That is
Churchill.
shown as 10%.
Why don't you ask Mr. Churchill if there is anything like this?
Speaker sir, हांवें प्रश्न विचारलो किकबॅक कितले दवरपाचे, ताणें 10% सांगले.
10%.